All right, to get started, we're going to open Canva, click create a design in the top right corner, type in website, and you'll see a bunch of different options that they have, but I'm just going to click basic website to get started. I've already chosen a template that I want, but you can scroll through the templates and look at all the different design options. I'm just going to overlay my picture where her picture is, and then I'm going to start typing in my brand information and changing it to match my colors and style. So I'm going to type in my name, and then I'm going to match it with one of my brand fonts that I like. I already have it under recently used, but if yours isn't, you're going to have to type it in. And then I'm going to resize it to where it all fits on one line. After that, I'm going to type in just a simple tagline, and, just do something in one sentence. It doesn't have to be super difficult. If you don't like how close it is, just click ungroup in the top right corner, and then you can move it down a bit. Then I'm going to change my social handle, and now I'm going to start playing with these buttons at the top to look more like buttons, because I don't feel like people looking at it would know. So I'm just going to go to elements, type in buttons, and then I'm going to take the color off so that it's hollowed out like the square below so that the aesthetic matches. And then once I do that, I'm going to add a outline to it. Take off the rounded corners because the square below it doesn't have rounded corners. And then I'm going to duplicate and just drag it over so that each of the buttons at the top actually has an outline to it. Doing this keeps my aesthetic and design cohesive, simple and minimalistic, which is what I like to go for. Now I'm going to start linking in everything that I have that's relevant to this page. So I'm going to start with linking in my blog. I'm just going to copy and paste my URL and then go over here to the blog button, highlight the button and the square, group them, press the link button and copy and paste in my link. You're going to have to do this for every single one of those buttons at the top. That way you don't have to link the text and the square separately. So highlight them, group them, link them, copy and paste in your link. So once I get done doing that for all four of those buttons, then I'm going to start linking in my socials. Make sure you delete off the social icons that you don't use and replace them with the ones that you do use. I use Twitter. So that's the first one, but I don't use Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram for my business. Instead, I use Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. So go to Elements and type in the name of those social icons that you're looking for, resize them down, drag and drop them in place, and then you're going to go to that social, copy your profile URL, click the icon, click the link, copy and paste it. You're going to do that for all of your socials. Once you get done doing that, make sure you go and follow me because I drop these type of tips on TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube regularly. Go ahead and get the rest of your social icons added. And this part is pretty simple. We're nearly at the end. And just make sure that everything is aligned and centered how you want it to be. The last one I'm adding in is YouTube. Make sure you hit that sub and that like button if this video is helpful for you. But yeah, just make sure you go through all the different templates, find something that fits your brand, fill in your information. Once you get done doing all of this to customize it, hit preview, and then you'll be able to see what the website will look like when people are looking at it. And I didn't end up liking that image, so I changed it. But this is what mine would look like. And then you just hit publish website in the top right and type in all the information, click free domain or link in your domain, and then you're done.